Hello, welcome to Math Kit Games. This is a dartboard that can be purchased at a dollar store. You can do simple games like number recognition. That would be 10, and the child shouts out 10. The other player goes, and they shout out 7. Or one player can go and do simple addition. You can just put this on the ground and drop it like that, or on a tabletop. Here we have a 7 and a 1, so the child adds up and they have 8. You can keep score and play to 100, throwing 1 or 2 darts. This helps them practice writing their numbers and recognizing their numbers. You can also teach them adding practice. Now we have a 8 plus 15, and so on. You'd show them that 8 plus 5 is 13, carry the 1, 23, and you just keep a running total between each player's score. Another way that you can keep score on the dart game is after a number is dropped, you can keep score with money. They got a 6, so for younger ages they would get 6 pennies. Older ages, they might make 6 with a 5 and a 1. They could even practice writing 6 cents the correct way, or several different ways. Like that. Okay? And then you could play up to a certain amount. Another way to keep score is using a numbers board. You have 2 different players, so you have starting at 0. You slide the numbers board inside your scoreboard's kit or slip that comes with your kit. Then you drop a number. Notice it's 15. So that means you go over 1 row, and because there's a 1 in the tens place, and then you move 5 more. Or simply find the number 15. The next player goes. They got a 3. And you just keep going until you get to 100. That one got a 13. So you jump ahead 1 row and then go to 3 more. 1, 2, 3. So now they have a total of 28. This teaches them that you go down however many rows are in the tens place. So if they got a 20, for instance, they would skip down 2 rows and go over 0. If they got a 15, they go down 1 row and add 5 more. So it's a neat way to get them to start thinking like money. If you have a 20, you get 2 tens. If you have a 23, by say this and this, a 20 plus 3, then you have 2 dimes and 3 pennies. So you can keep score all these different ways and change it up. Another thing you could do for more advanced players, if you don't want to keep score but you want to practice math facts, you can roll the die, whatever it rolls on, like a 6. Whatever you throw, that's what you multiply by 6. So 2 times 6 is 12. Next one, 7 times 6 is 42. Next one, 11 times 6 is 66. And you just keep taking turns and practicing your math facts. 6 times 6 is 36, and so on. If it's a hard one, like 17 times 6, they can practice using a calculator, or they can simply do their math on a scratch pad. So I hope you like Math Games with a Dartboard by Tammy's Math Kit.